Hello everyone, I'm Jake back for another review. Sorry it's a bit late. I had to watch a couple of episodes of Garfield and Friends on Tubi TV. If you guys don't remember Garfield and Friends, get Tubi TV. It's a free streaming service. Yeah, I know, to you guys, I shouldn't be watching kitty shows. Um, you guys do know adults can watch cartoons too. You guys grew up with TMNT, right? There's cartoons of TMNT, like the original, 1987. There's also the 2003 version of TMNT, as well as the Nickelodeon ones too, as well. Speaking of TMNT, I'm thinking about getting the Playmates Toys original, the classic comic book versions of the Ninja Turtles. So, if you guys want me to get those and save money for those, let me know in the comments. But enough rambling on about TMNT stuff and classic cartoons. Zoa Green Apple Energy Drink. Yeah, I know. You guys are wondering, what am I doing with Zoa Green Apple? As I said before yesterday, got it from Shell gas station. There's 10 calories, no total fat, 110 milligrams of sodium. That's high on sodium. 2 grams of total carbs, no sugars, no added sugars. Almost said dietary fiber. Sorry, guys. No protein. You get your potassium, 16 milligrams. Riboflavin, 0.3 milligrams. Vitamin B6, 1.3 milligrams. Vitamin B12, 1.8 micrograms. Magnesium, 10 milligrams. You get your vitamin C, 90 milligrams. Basically, vitamin C is one of the healthiest ones out there. And I'm lagging. Come on, camera. Quit having me lag. Thank you. Why am I laggy? There has to be a way for me to get a new phone. Niacin, 12 milligrams. Folate, 75 micrograms. Pantothenic acid, 4 milligrams. And choline, 20 milligrams. And you also get 160 milligrams of caffeine. Basically, with Zoa drinks, you gotta have these cold. That's why I got this from the fridge. So, let's try it out in the Ohio State Cup. Yeah, that's right, I got my Ohio State Cup. I even have a Cincinnati Bearcats shirt on. It would be Ohio State, but my red Ohio State shirt has holes. My t-shirt does. And trust me, you do not want to see me wear that when it has holes. Holes during the review? No go for me. Yeah, I know you guys would be okay with it, but nope, sensitive on that when it comes to a t-shirt. But you guys are gonna see the color. Since this one's a 12 ounce. Whoa. You guys can see the color there, right? Green. There's a lot of green apples out there. I have no idea why I just did that, but it seems like it is an apple taste, but I won't know till I drink it. Again, refresh your memory. Here's the color. Let's see, there's carbonated water, citric acid, natural flavors, sodium citrate, potassium citrate, caffeine from green coffee and green tea, beta carotene, color, ascorbic acid, L liboan, or however you pronounce it, magnesium lactate. There's sucralose in here, green tea extract, acerola juice juice powder, L-valin, L-iso so however pronounce that word, D-calcium, anthocyamate. Now you get the idea on the ingredients. You'll see if you get this. There's a lot of ingredients in here that they threw in. But it seems like this is one of those green apple flavors, alright, because I can taste it. And there's no fruit juice in this either. One of the healthiest energy drinks out there. Some doesn't taste bad. Doesn't taste that good. Remember my reviews on Zoa drinks. I only have one flavor to go, though, however, on Zoa Plus. But this green apple flavor, rocks so far. You're also getting a medium to medium high carbonation. Okay, I'm gonna correct that. Medium carbonation. And there's a bug flying around in here, in the living room. Excuse me. Wow, that was good and refreshing. Hmm. Due to liking green apple flavor. By the way, Zoa, you guys did did a good job. I can also shout out to The Rock too. Dwayne The Rock Johnson, you did a good job on this drink too. The flavor is actually the actual. Bleh, can't talk today there. The flavor is actually good. I'm not going to be rating green apple Zoa. However, sorry guys, I'm thinking here on the rating. I do like me some green apple, so it beats out Warhead's sour green apple Ghost, and as well as Nas Sonic Sour, another green apple flavor. I would say this is a 10 out of 10 flavor. Beats out the rest of the Zoas. If you guys want me to do a ranking video or a tier list, let me know in the comments also on that one. Excuse me. Because I had to do a ranking video and get all the flavors again of Zoa. But there's one more out there on Zoa Plus, so we are gonna have to wait. Don't forget to let me know in the comments if you guys want me to get the comic book versions of TMNT. That was from 1984. Basically, there's black and white ones, and as well as colored versions of the 1984 TMNT ones from Playmates Toys. But until I give you I'll tell you a preview of what I'm going to review next. I have a coffee drink in the fridge that I got from Dollar General. Cinnabon teamed up with how to let that fart out. Sorry, guys. As I was saying before that part, Cinnabon teamed up with International Delight for an iced coffee drink. So I'm going to be reviewing that tomorrow. instead of an energy drink? You guys think that energy drinks are the best to go? But coffee is also the best too. Some of you guys might not like coffee and want energy drink reviews, but technically, you guys aren't allowing the reviewers to review coffee drinks. You guys claim coffee drinks are poops and are poop. That's not true, guys. Caffeine Man reviewed coffee drinks. There's many reviewers that reviewed coffee drinks. Even me. So, technically, it's not like poop. You're having creamer in a coffee drink. So clearly, you guys are wrong on coffee drinks. As well, you're not drinking. You're basically drinking carbonated water from energy drinks too. Which basically has caffeine. So clearly, you guys are wrong as well, too. But so far, I do like these energy drinks still. But my favorite one is the green apple, though, of Zoa. But not my favorite flavor, however. I still like fruit punch and grape flavors. But Saturday, well, tomorrow's Friday, today's Thursday, I will be reviewing another energy drink after the Cinnabon International Diet iced coffee. I'll give you a preview for Saturday. This one's Bang Energy. Any means orange. If you didn't know, they teamed up with Any Means Possible, or AMP for short. I didn't think they would team up with a product that Monster owns, however. Got it from Meyer gas station. I also got another energy drink from Shell. It's a Rain energy drink, which is the white haze. That review will not be until Monday. I'll show you the can. Rain Energy and Rain Total Body Fuel White Haze. If possible, I can get Monster Ultra White. So that way I can compare it to that. So, Sunday, well, my sister will be here. We are gonna have a long review for you guys. I got some kombucha drinks from Health Aid, which I bought from Market District. There's a lot of flavors to go over for me and my sister. So, bear with us. Sunday. So, until tomorrow's iced coffee video, MJ Klein's out. Peace out. Don't want to ramble too much because I need to check my Disney Magic Kingdoms and go for as well as laundry. I didn't get to do that yesterday. So later guys. In next video. Peace out. Later.